So I'm back at a familiar spot here in San Leandro, California, Pistahan. In this video today, my objective is to try something called the Bangus Sisig. Bangus is a national fish of the Philippines, and then they included the fish sisig, Bangus Sisig, as an option in its rise to sisig fame. Bangus Sisig is on the menu here at Pistahan, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Back at it. Yeah. Good morning. Good, good. This morning?
Yeah, I go ribs.
Before you go to work? Thank you. Today I'm looking forward to a Bangus Sisig. All right, just again back at Pistahan, and I just love coming to this place. The food's so good, very hospitable, the workers here, and just the vibe here. It's early in the morning, I'm the first one here. Yeah, excited to have some Bangus Sisig and some shrimp tempura today. Oh, nice. Thank you. Wow. This is not Filipino, huh? It's like
yeah, I don't know.
it's good on the menu.
Yeah. This is an add-on.
Add-on. Not necessarily a Filipino dish, but hey, shrimp tempura. A little bit of sweet and sour sauce right here. Spicy sweet and sour sauce. That looks yum. All right, thank you, my friend. Oh, it's here. Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Right here.
Okay, Bangus. National fish of the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Salamat. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, uncles and aunties, the Bangus Sisig in full effect. Ooh-wee. Getting started with this meal here, man. That Bangus Sisig. Oh. Again, originally sisig from the Pampangas in the Philippines, evolving to a more from the pork sisig to a healthier option with the milkfish, the national fish of the Philippines, man. My mouth is watering. Scallions, you have the red onions, and that fish, that sisig, grounded, chopped sisig from that milkfish, legendary national fish of the Philippines. Let's go right into it before we have a little bit of the appetizers. We gotta go for that sisig. That's what we came here for. Just right that. Okay. All right. Oh man, let us go. Still nice and warm. Oh. Oh, a little bit of breading. That milkfish, the bangus, just flaky, crispy, delicious. Full of flavor. You taste some vinegar. Just the natural flavors from that bangus, and then chopped up nicely. These bits of sisig, tangy, citrusy element from the lemon, and those onions go terrific with it as well. That is a delicious Bangus Sisig. Naimas. Oh man, would love to keep munching on that, which I will. But we gotta try it with some, we'll go for some rice now. So scoop some rice onto my plate. A little more. Oh yeah, fluffy rice. Yeah. Use the big spoon that came with this tray. All right, scoop it up. Oh man, yummy. Woo. Naimas. You guys don't know, it's Ilocano for delicious. It's all delicious, man. Okay, now a scoop. Oh boy. All right, here's that rice bite, Bangus Sisig. Oh. Having the rice is delicious. Pairs beautifully with it. What a terrific combination. Yeah, the rice and the sisig, man, that definitely is a must. Another option, an added alternative to just having it by itself. Have it with rice. Oh, that's fantastic. And crispy as well. All those textured elements. Another bite. Oh. That Bangus Sisig. It's so good. I love the flavors of the sisig. I'm telling you right now, that is a must order. What a delicious alternative sisig option. Opposed to just having the pork. Put this on top of the rice. Haven't even went for any of the tempura yet. Maybe after this next bite, but it's all about that sisig right now. Okay. Naimas. Wow. Masarap. Chicharron. Oh, chicharron, pork chicharron on top of it.
Yeah.
So you do have some pork on it. Oh.
Yes, pork and
then the fish. Yeah, bangus and the pork. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is chicharron. Okay, we gotta move on. Let's try this tempura by itself. Shrimp tempura. Ooh. Mmm. Yeah, you probably get these at Japanese restaurants, but Pistahan has shrimp tempura, and that is a delicious tempura. Yeah, that is nice, crispy, shrimpy, yummy. Okay, let's try that sauce with it. A sweet and sour sauce. This right here. That right there will make it Filipino. Okay. Ooh. Mmm. Sweet, sour, spicy, crispy tempura. A little bit chili in here for a little bit of a added spice. Oh yeah. Let's get back to that Bangus Sisig. Oh man. With the little bit of chicharron she had mentioned. Little pork chicharron bites on here. Scoop. Oh man, it's so good. Up close and personal. Now let me just say this so you guys know. They debone the fish. There's no like bones in here that you have to be cautious of. And I haven't had any bone activity. Just pure fishy bangus goodness. Man, I have like no complaints right now about this food here. I mean, if anything, I could use a little bit of some chili peppers or some little bit more spice. I'm all about that gasang life. All right, this is the head part of the fish. You can see here that front. And what I love to do is I love to just like bite the head portion. Break into that right now. We got it, we got it, we got it. Okay, let's give that a bite. That is crispy, edible. Even the bone structure has been deep fried. Sprinkle a little lemon on this. A little more on the bangus as well. And that'll do it. Wrapped it up there at Pistahan in San Leandro, that Bangus Sisig. Fantastic. Naimas. Definitely something for you to try if you've never tried Bangus Sisig before. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, enjoy the bite life. Later.